Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Living paycheck to paycheck can feel like an endless cycle of stress and frustration, but the good news is that it doesn't have to be permanent. Breaking free from this cycle is the first step toward building real wealth and financial freedom. In today's video, we'll walk you through 10 practical steps to escape the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, take control of your money, and start building lasting wealth. These are proven strategies that anyone can follow, no matter where you're starting from. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that can help you supercharge your progress. Let's get started. The first step to escaping the paycheck to paycheck cycle is understanding where your money is going. Many people underestimate how much they spend on things like dining out, subscriptions, or impulse purchases. By getting a clear picture of your finances, you can identify where changes need to be made. Awareness is the foundation of financial change. Track your income and expenses for at least 1 month. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to categorize your spending. Identify unnecessary expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. A budget isn't just about cutting costs, it's a tool to help you control your money and prioritize what matters most. The key is to create a realistic budget that aligns with your goals while allowing for some flexibility. Budgeting gives you the power to direct your money where it's needed most. Start with the 50/30/20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Review your expenses and adjust your budget to fit your current situation. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to stay organized and on track. Unexpected expenses are one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. A small emergency fund can protect you from financial setbacks and give you peace of mind. Even $500 to $1,000 can make a big difference. Open a separate savings account for your emergency fund. Automate a small portion of each paycheck to go directly into this account. Avoid using the fund for anything other than true emergencies. Lowering your expenses is one of the fastest ways to free up money for savings and debt repayment. This doesn't mean cutting out everything you enjoy. It's about being intentional and finding areas where you can spend less without sacrificing too much. Small changes add up to big results. Negotiate bills like cable, phone, or insurance for lower rates. Cook at home more often instead of eating out. Cancel subscriptions or memberships you don't use regularly. Debt with high interest rates like credit cards can trap you in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Paying it off should be a top priority because every dollar spent on interest is money that could be saved or invested instead. Freedom from debt opens the door to financial stability. List all your debts, their balances, and interest rates. Use the avalanche method to pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, or the snowball method to tackle smaller balances first for motivation. Avoid taking on new high-interest debt while you're paying off existing balances. While cutting expenses is important, increasing your income can accelerate your journey out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Whether it's asking for a raise, finding a higher-paying job, or starting a side hustle, additional income gives you more breathing room and faster progress. Think of extra income as fuel for your financial goals. Explore opportunities for overtime or freelance work in your current field. Learn a new skill or certification to qualify for higher-paying roles. Start a side hustle, such as tutoring, graphic design, or selling handmade items online. Automation is a powerful tool for taking control of your finances. It removes the temptation to spend money you intended to save and ensures your bills are always paid on time, avoiding late fees. By automating, you're setting yourself up for consistent success. Here are some actionable tips. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every payday. Use autopay for recurring bills to avoid missed payments. And increase your automated savings whenever you get a raise or bonus. Saving is important, but investing is how you grow your money over time. Even small amounts can add up thanks to the power of compound interest. Starting early gives you the advantage of time, even if you're only investing $50 a month. Investing turns your money into a wealth-building tool. Here are some actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or retirement account, like a Roth IRA or 401k. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs for diversification, and set up automatic contributions to ensure you invest consistently. Irregular expenses like car repairs or holiday shopping can throw off your budget if you're not prepared. Planning for these expenses in advance prevents them from becoming emergencies and keeps you on track. Planning ahead reduces financial stress. Review your past spending to identify predictable, irregular expenses. Create a sinking fund, a separate account for specific future expenses. contribute small amounts regularly to your sinking fund throughout the year. Once you've escaped the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, it's time to focus on building long-term wealth. This means setting clear financial goals, investing for the future, and continually improving your financial literacy. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Write down your long-term financial goals, such as home ownership or early retirement. Work with a financial advisor or use online calculators to create a plan for achieving these goals. Commit to lifelong learning about personal finance and investing. Breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and building wealth takes time and discipline. Consistency is key. Even small steps add up over time. Stay patient, stick to your plan, and celebrate your progress along the way. Financial freedom is a journey, not an overnight transformation. Track your progress monthly to stay motivated and identify areas for improvement. Celebrate small wins like paying off a debt or reaching a savings milestone. Remind yourself of your why, the reason you're working toward financial freedom. Escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is possible, and it starts with small, intentional changes to how you manage your money. By following these 10 steps, you'll take control of your finances, reduce stress, and start building the wealth you deserve. Which step will you take today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from your finance lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.